हेलो कर दो हेलो। Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is going to be a MEESHO haul. As you loved my last video so much, so I feel like to make another MEESHO haul video for you. This video is going to be unboxing of some basic essentials, home decor, mostly home decors, and some budget friendly products which you might need. Most important thing which I think I should told you that I had started a 6-day hair care series में मैंने hairs related every problems like split end, dry hair और किसी टाइप का hair treatment लिया है, तो this might be useful for you guys, so you can go to my account, go to my channel, check out the playlist hair care series. Okay, so here is my puppy जो अकेले रहना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करता, तो मैं अभी वीडियो बना रही थी, इसके बीच में वो आ गया, so he distracted me. Max, come here. Ooh. Yes, actually hello कर दो hello. So hi everyone, again back. Okay, everything will be linked, or I will mention the code of product in the description box, so you can go and check out there. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय गाइस. आई होप आप सब अच्छे रहोगे एंड यू शुड टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.